report at this time by our County Health Director, Janelle Linn. Janelle?
Good morning, Chairman and members of the board. Our COVID update this week is sweet and to the point, so that's good news for us. We have only had 7 new cases reported to us in the last 24 hours, and the week previous to that was very similar. An average of 9 to 20 cases a day were being reported to us. We did have one day last week where we had 65 cases reported to us, but those were mostly comprised of one of our healthcare facilities who was behind on reporting, and they were cases that were more than 6 weeks old. So we just wanted to explain that particular day. That was just a lag in reporting. So we have continued to see that downward trend, and we feel like we are really near the bottom of our second spike. We are prepared for the possibility that we could experience a third strike once the variant strains are identified in our community and if they spread through our community. So we're assessing that closely, hoping that that does not happen, but prepared for the possibility should that happen. We received word last week that we will be receiving, Navajo County will be receiving additional funding to continue COVID activities in the form of surveillance, improved data techniques in gathering, and to continue our vaccine efforts. So we don't know the particulars on that funding yet, but we will be receiving more funding to continue those activities. For our vaccine, the state of Arizona is about 17% of the citizens of Arizona have been vaccinated, and we're kind of right on target with that. We are about 18% here in Navajo County. We were in Navajo County increasing by about a percentage point a day on our vaccine rates. However, last week, the winter storms in the Midwest, that's where vaccine is manufactured. And so we didn't get our vaccine shipments last week. No one in Navajo County did. Most of the people in the nation did not. So last week, we didn't see a lot of growth in our vaccine coverage rates, only 1% for the week. And we had been seeing about a percentage point a day or every other day. So we expect to see a big surge this week. A lot of the facilities plan to try to vaccinate their regular appointments they had planned for this week, plus make up what we had to not scheduled for last week due to those delayed shipments. So I am pleased that we are ahead of the state average for pushing out vaccine, especially considering the very small allotments and allocation amounts that we have been receiving. Means that what we are getting, we're pushing it out well and pushing it out quickly. We have administered 18,199 vaccines in Navajo County. 13,279 of those are first doses, and 4,920 of those are people who have completed their vaccine series. So we're so appreciative of our tribal and our healthcare partners being vaccine sites and working so diligently to vaccinate our community and always being so agreeable to work with. And that's our COVID update for this week. Not a lot of new changes.
Thank you, Janelle. We appreciate that report. Does anybody have any comments or questions?
I have one quick comment. Certainly, I know that it's brand new news, and I wanted to congratulate Jalen here and being able to serve our community. So we're so grateful that you're here to be able to continue to serve us. So thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate that, and I appreciate your support.
Thank you, Vice Chair. Any other comments? I just want to thank.
I apologize, Janelle. No, I called you Jalen, and I apologize.
It's okay.
I wanted to make sure I got that on public record. Thank you, Chairman Seymour.
You're welcome. I just want to note that Janelle did a presentation with the city of Show Low the other night. It was very well received by the council. It was very informative. We had a lot of comments from it. I've had 2 personal phone calls as supervisor that people have gone in and done their vaccinations of just short of they said it's been the best government experience they've ever had. So I think that's fantastic, what we have going on. And I just appreciate our department and the things that they're doing, and kudos to everybody there, and thank you for what you're doing. We appreciate it.
Thank you. I have great people, great team of people.
Thank you.
Thank you.